nurturing yourself is not selfish. It is essential for your well being and survival. Take care of yourself first. You will definitely take care of the society. Hi, guys. This is Satish Kumar Anandan, surgical oncologist and healthcare expert. Nowadays, we started accusing all modern advancements or technologies for our ailments and diseases. Let's not forget, modern technologies protect us from many diseases and ailments. Fridge or refrigerator protect us from getting cancers. Yes, you heard it right. Fridge or refrigerator decrease the incidence of stomach cancers. Before the invent of refrigerator, people used highly salted and smoked preservation methods to preserve, reuse and store their food items for longer usage. These highly spicy and salted items is an established risk factor for stomach cancers. On contrary, having vegetables and fruits decreases the risk. Refrigerators solved both purposes. It made food and vegetables stay fresh for longer period of time and reduced the need for highly salted and smoked preservation methods to preserve the food item. Thereby, refrigerator dramatically decreased the incidence of stomach cancers. So, before blaming all advancements, think twice. Share this useful information and join hands in spreading cancer awareness.